Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is a K3L. Now it's a Canadian K3L, not a Holden, but something really cool about this is it has a 480 number 3 bell. So I've had one of these on the channel before. It's been a while back. I don't think it was a great sounding horn really. This horn really sounds good. I usually do not like K3LAs. I just never have. I've always preferred a K5. Usually I go through K3s like crazy, but I really do like this one. So with it, it is CN. It has some orange on it though. As you can see here on the side, there is some orange, and I'll put a closer picture up of that. It's all over the horn. All these bells are original. They all have this orange under the black. There's some right here on the side also. I don't know what it is. I swear it looks identical to like EJ and E orange. I don't know if they had any K3s, but it did come out of that area. So, I don't know. I had someone mention that to me. Could be that, but who knows? But anyway, so that's interesting. It is a raised letter horn though, so I think it's probably too new for that. But if you have any ideas what this orange may be, let me know in the comments. But anyway, like I said, really good sounding K3L. And of course, a K3L is a 1, 2, and a 3. K3LA, you'd have a 4A in place of this 3, but this 3 is 480, which is a special order. It's 480 hertz, which is not a normal number 3. So anyway, I guess that's really about it, guys. Good sounding horn. Static test is here at the house. Again, this is another one of the horns with the statics here at the house due to me selling my truck and getting a new one in the process, so I did my statics here. But anyway, y'all enjoy this, guys. This is a CN K3L.